The iPhone Air, a rumored entry-level iPhone as of October 2025, includes Center Stage, an AI-powered feature that dynamically adjusts the front camera view during video calls to keep you centered. This feature, previously available on iPad Pro models, uses automatic zoom and rotation to optimize your framing. The core mechanism tracks your position, automatically zooming in or out based on distance and rotating the frame to include multiple people or adjust orientation. Auto zoom adjusts magnification, while auto rotate shifts the frame between portrait and landscape modes. However, you might want manual control. Disabling these auto features gives you precise control over your video framing. Step 1. Open the camera app. Step 2. Switch to the front-facing camera by tapping the circular arrow icon. Step 3. Locate and select the active center stage button, shown as a person's profile inside a frame and yellow when active. Step 4. Tap the center stage button to open the options menu. Step 5. In the options, tap off next to auto zoom to disable automatic zoom adjustments. Step 6. Similarly, tap off next to auto rotate to prevent automatic frame switching between portrait and landscape modes. You can now use the manual zoom controls, represented by arrows pointing in and out, to frame your shot precisely as desired. Note, these settings are app-specific if not set globally.